Hey Mel, my name is Max. Sorry about the microphone. I hope that this sounds okay. My microphone broke, so I'm going to have to use this one for the time being. But this is the video that I promised you, showing you how you can bring in more business through your website. And we're going to go over three main things as to, the three main things to doing so. The general gist here is to rank in Google for these select key terms that I know people are searching, because I use this software called Ahrefs. And it shows me that there's 320 people every month searching for a general contractor in Miami, which is, you're right there in Coral Gables, so I'm sure that wouldn't be too far for you, especially for, that many people searching for you every month. Again, the general idea here is to get in this Google Map Pack as well as rank organically here, and then you'd be able to bring in about 50 to 65% of those people that are searching for you every month, which, if you do the math, that's at least 160 people every month looking for what you offer. So the main three ways to getting in those number one positions is the content on your website, the backlinks on your website, and citations throughout Google. And I'll explain what all of those are. So if we copy everything that you see here on your home page, including what these images are saved as, and then I throw it in this word counter, shows me that you have 690 words. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and they want these exact match words in there to make it relevant for these specific search terms. The second thing is a backlink, and what a backlink is basically one person's website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. So if I threw your URL in here like I did, it shows me that you have quite a few backlinks, but your trust flow from Google is very low. You would typically want these numbers to be about the same, so a good ratio would be 22 to 22. So that's probably why you're not ranking, because Google's trust flow does not trust the backlinks that are coming in. They're not actually passing power and relevance. They're probably just spammy backlinks, no follows. Again, like 560 backlinks coming from 38 different websites. Obviously that's going to be pretty spammy. So if we could go in there and clear those out and then get better backlinks on there, that would really help you. The third and final thing has to do directly with this Google Map Pack, and that's what citations are. A citation is the business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. This person has about 20 to 30 citations, and then that's why their Google My Business page is showing up in that top three for that search term. If you got 60 to 80 citations, you would outrank them with your Google My Business page, and then you'd be good to go. You'd be in there, and this the Google My Business, the Google Map right here, gets about 65% of the 320 that are searching for general contractors in Miami. So I hope that this was worth your time. I really appreciate it, and I will follow up with you tomorrow at about 9 a.m. just to get your thoughts and some feedback on the video. Thanks again for your time.